Alright, we are back. First cuts with a butter knife. Let's see how this goes. I mean, it's cutting. Doesn't sound good, but there's a lot of flex in that knife. It's very unsupported. There's a lot of flex in everything. You know, I'm gonna keep whittling away on this because the surface finish on the face doesn't look terrible right now. Tool's still cool. I think. Alright, I've done some extensive testing off camera, and I think I found the recipe of like speed, feed, how big the depth of cut is for butter knife to aluminum. Turns out it's none of them. It doesn't want to do it at all. It's actually a very stupid idea. You probably should never do this. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Yeah, as you can see, not happy with any of the results. It did produce some chips though, so I mean that's something I guess, but it just not happy the entire way. Gonna go ahead and next step is cut it off, grind an actual tool angle on there, and see how that cuts. Stay tuned.
I would like to thank everyone for checking this out, and would also like to apologize. I had to scrap a lot of what was originally filmed because the kids wanted to play and see what I was doing for a good portion of it, and have not had the chance to get back to this project yet. But if you like what you saw, hit that like button, and follow. I will not rest until this knife is cutting aluminum like, well, butter.